Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing a Etsy haul today. I had my birthday. I got some money from a couple of people because obviously no one can really buy me presents. And I picked up a few things from Etsy, just trying to stimulate the economy, as they say. And yeah, so I thought I would share what I got with you. I already hauled one Etsy store, actually two in the last video, so I'll leave a link to that up here. If you're interested, you could go ahead and check that out. So kind of along the same lines as what I bought in those ones, like some kind of fabric-y bits and some different papers and stuff. So let's go ahead and jump in and show you what I got. Okay, let's pull it out and see what I got. All my goodies. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Here, oh, so here's all the goodies that I got. I'm just going to show you the name of the Etsy store, and I'll make sure I leave a link down below. All right, so let's go ahead and look at all the bits. So I picked up again like some little embellishment pieces. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, I love these little hearts. Oh my gosh, look how cute these are. Here, I'm going to scoot you down just a little bit. It's like little hearts. I bought 4 of these. And I think everything, she sprays it with something. It smells like Febreze or something. I think everything was pretty inexpensive. These were $1 a piece, which is pretty normal if you like go to like even Walmart. So I'm really excited. I'm really happy about those. And then I've got this little like lacy piece. And then this little piece that has the 3. And again, I think these were all like around $1. Yeah, this one was $1.50 and this one was $1, I believe. Yeah, these two were $1.50 each, and then these were $1 a piece. So then they had the tiny little blue flowers for these were 6 for $1.25. And then these little butterfly embellishments, so cute. These were $1 a piece. For some reason I don't see these on my order, so I'm wondering if she just gave them to me. But look how cute they are. Okay, and then I got some ribbon, fabric ribbon embellishment stuff. This was $2.50 for a yard. Really cute. Really, really pretty. And then I got this green one. Love that. And then the peach one. And then the blue one. And then these tiny little yellow ones. Then I got a ruffle that she had made. At this point I was kind of just trying to find things to fill my cart so that I could get the free shipping. But I really like that. I think it's super sweet. And then I got some bee fabric because I am collecting some stuff for a bee journal. So I love the tattered look of that. And there's a really cute bee fabric. And then the main reason that I ordered stuff from her shop was that I found these. And they are called white coin cards. And I specifically got them because I have an idea that I want to use them for. So I'll probably end up putting them in my journals. Well, I'm going to end up putting it in my journal if whatever my thought process works. So we will see if that works, and then I'll show you that in my journal with me's if you're interested. And then the last thing I got, again, just to kind of fill the cart. I needed a couple of dollars more in there. I'm like, well, I'd rather buy washi tape than pay for shipping. So yeah, oh, this is super pretty. Okay, Okay. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 different designs on it. That is super pretty. Oh, I didn't even notice it had like the days of the week on it. And like something to do. Nice. Happy with that. That is so cute. I'm very happy with this order. And I have a girl that I typically go to. Her name is Emily, and she is Vintage Polka Dot on Etsy. And she always gives you extra stuff. At least she always gives me extra stuff. I don't know if she gives everybody extra stuff, because I only know she does it for me. So let me open this and I'll show you what's inside. Okay. Okay, yeah, so this is actually why I purchased stuff from her shop, because she had this really cool bundle pack thing of these 4 vintage laces. Wow, that's really cool. That's so pretty. I love even the packaging it's in. And then this kind of, I always forget what this is called. Oh, and then this really delicate lace one. And like these look exactly the same. Yeah, I think these are the same. Yeah, those are really cool. I'm really excited that I had that. So I purchased that from her because I liked it. And then when I went to her shop, she put it in this cool envelope thing, or a folder. Like an old looking folder. I could definitely use that in my journals. I have to keep that. Yeah, and then she always does like a cute little note and then a package full of stuff. And then another thing that I found at our shop was these cool Sears Robux. Yeah, so these are the Sears Robux catalog ones. And oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. These are so cute. Oh, I got the knives. That's interesting. Yeah, so, and then I think there's 15 sheets in here. These are in really good condition. Can't remember exactly how much I paid for them. I want to say they were like $1 a piece. So maybe like, no, that's not right. I think it was like, I want to say it was like $7, but I'll put it up on the screen right now and tell you how much it was. Oh, look at this one. Hair stitches. Oh, and then the brushes. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Yeah, I'm super excited to have these. Okay, so these will be great for my collection. And then the other thing I purchased from her was these little cut apart things. I used these, and she gave these to me last time I ordered tea dye paper. She included a couple of these, and I used them in my a couple of my journals, and I really love how it turned out. So I decided to go ahead and just purchase some. So her sending me stuff in the mail, extra stuff, definitely paid off for her, because I decided that I needed more of them in my life. So Emily, your marketing ploy worked. I mean, I don't know if she watches my videos, but so here is all the extra goodies she gave me. It says, "Thank you so much for another order. I hope you enjoy everything. As a thank you, included some extra picture wheels, lace, and small calendar pages or catalog pages. And just for fun, a couple of coffee dyed pages to add to your stash. Please let me know if you have any questions. Happy crafting, Emily." So cute. That's so cute to me. Like this, she takes the time to do that. Look how pretty. She gave me a whole pack of lace. Wow. And she put it on a little playing card. That is a cute way of packaging that. Wow, that is really cool. I'm really excited about that. And then she gave me a couple of catalog pages, smaller ones. And then a couple more of these cut. These, I think this is a die cut. So it looks like she die cutted some paper ones. Nice, very cool. And then let's see what I got here. Ladies' gold watches. Some that's really cool. And then look at the game pieces and the dice. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh my gosh. Because I am actually a gamer. A Cribbage Board. Oh my god, I am so excited about this. Oh my god, I'm such a nerd. I cannot believe she gave me this one. Oh my god, that's so cool. I love that. And what's this one? A camera? Oh, that's cool too. That one's really cool. A photography camera thing. Oh my gosh, that's really cool. And then just a couple of pieces of her awesome, amazing tea dye paper that I love to use in my journals. So yeah. So yes, I'm so excited for all the goodies that I got, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you again next time. Bye for now.